How to get $100 Sephora promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Sephora promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Sephora. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 30% off, 50% off, super offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it, then click on shop now. You will be directed to the official website of Sephora. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find this section of promo code. Over there, you can paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Likewise, make sure to check out this website as well, because this website will also provide a working promo code for Sephora. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Sephora promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.